Hi, it's Kathy Andronikou and welcome to this watercolour stamped card tutorial. Today I'm using Penny Black's Nature's Glory stamp and I'm going to place this into my MISTI onto my watercolour card. To begin, I'm going to colour in all my leaves on the stamped image and I'm going to do them in sections so that it doesn't dry out too quickly. Now I'm going to be using these Karin Brush Markers today. So first of all, I'm going to colour all the leaves with the apple coloured pen and I'm going to then soften the outlines using a water brush. I'm then going to use my Wow Heat tool to set the colour. Now I'm going to use the grass colour and I'm just going to do sections along the bottom and sides of the leaf to add a bit more dimension, again softening with the water brush. Then I applied ocean teal to the very base of each leaf to give even more depth and colour. For the base of each of the flowers, I'm going to be using the pale pink, the pale violet and the Arctic blue, and I'm going to be mixing these colours either on the stamp or just overlaying with pen to get a variation in shade. Additional softening of the petals is done by using a water brush and heating to get the colour to set in between. Then using the lilac, rose pink and cyan, I'm adding some shadow to the bases of the berries and some of the flowers. Now I need to thoroughly clean my stamp because I'm going to be using Wow's clear embossing ink. I'm going to heat set my image and then rub over with an anti-static bag. Ink up the stamp and then cover with clear embossing powder. Tap off any excess and then heat set. Add water around the stamped image and then use the pale pink, the apple and Arctic blue to add a light wash of colour behind the flowers. Using Penny Black's Million Thanks stamp and Blue Breeze Kaleidoscope ink, stamp the sentiment onto the card. mount the finished piece onto Penny Black's Mix and Match cardstock and then mount onto your card blank. The card is now complete. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to subscribe at my YouTube channel.